In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Brave Browser's split screen feature. This is a powerful tool if you want to work more efficiently without constantly switching between tabs or windows. Think about situations like researching information on one site while writing notes on another, comparing two articles side by side, or watching a tutorial while following along step by step. Split screen makes all of this possible inside a single Brave window, keeping everything organized and easy to manage. Let's start by opening your Brave browser. Make sure you're in the window where you want to multitask. If you don't immediately see the split screen option, don't worry. This feature is relatively new, so just confirm that your browser is updated to a recent version. Now, go to the tab you want to use in Split View. Right-click on that tab at the top of your browser. This opens the context menu, where Brave groups different tab management options. From this menu, look for the option that says Add Tab to New Split View and click it. As soon as you select it, Brave will divide your window into two panels. The tab you selected will remain on one side, and a second panel will open beside it. At this point, both panels behave like normal browser windows. You can scroll independently, click links, type, or even play videos on one side while working on the other. This setup is especially useful when you need to reference something while actively working elsewhere. To switch between panels, simply click inside the one you want to use. The active panel is the one that responds to your keyboard input and address bar actions, so switching focus is quick and seamless. If you decide you no longer need split screen, returning to a single tab layout is just as easy. Right-click on one of the tabs inside the split view. From the menu, hover over Arrange Split View and then select Unsplit Tabs. Brave will instantly merge the panels back into a single view without closing any of your pages. This makes it easy to move in and out of split screen mode depending on your workflow. A quick tip, use split screen when you need focus and comparison, but switch back when you want a cleaner, distraction-free view. It's all about using the feature when it adds value. If you don't see the split screen option at all, make sure your browser is fully updated. New features like this are often rolled out in recent versions. That's all you need to start using Brave's split screen feature effectively. It's a simple addition, but it can significantly improve how you multitask and manage your work. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.